In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve deleted contacts from an iPhone 7 Plus. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what you're going to want to do first is actually open up a web browser of your choice and go to iCloud.com and just sign in to your account. I recommend Safari specifically since it does support Face ID and you can just use that to log in. But once you are logged in, scroll down and you're looking for an option on here that says data recovery. Select that. It's going to take you to another page. Scroll down a little bit further until you see restore contacts and open it up. And once you are on this page, if you had deleted any contacts recently, you'll see pretty much all of those available archives right in here. Choose whatever archive you want to restore from, confirm that restore, and your contacts will automatically reappear here on your iPhone 7 Plus. You can only restore contacts that were deleted in the last 30 days, so keep that in mind. And this is only going to work if contacts was enabled here in iCloud before deletion. Restoring contacts is also going to replace your current contact list with the selected archive. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can retrieve deleted contacts from an iPhone 7 Plus using iCloud. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.